Before giving your backyard, barbecue party, or swimming pool float one last hurrah, it's time to consider getting your home ready for the season ahead. Here are some home improvement items that can be checked off your list. Let's start with the home's exterior. Number 1. Check the roof, gutters, and downspouts for roof shingle issues, flashing issues, leaks, debris, loose connections, and also check your attic for signs of leaks or moisture. Number 2. Examine the siding, windows, doors, foundation looking for needed paint, cracks, caulk issues, wood rot, window and door issues, or water buildup at the foundation. Number 3. Check walkways, driveway, and garage for cracks or trip hazards and any type of moisture issues. Now, your home's interior. Number 4. Check doors, windows, and floors for cracks, caulking, needed paint, and broken glass. 5. Inspect plumbing in the kitchen and bathrooms for leaks, moisture, loose connections, worn-out valves, and slow drains. Number 6. Check out and replace filters in all appliances and systems, as well as batteries in the necessary programs. Replacement on a regular basis helps keep things moving with no interruption. Most of the maintenance items you can do yourself, but if you find any type of major maintenance tasks, repairs, or if renovations are needed, be sure to call a professional.